Good morning, my students. How are you? Hope you're fine. Today we are going to read a new story, so we will learn new vocabulary words. Are you ready to learn new vocabulary words and to read a very nice story? So we will identify new words. Second, we will read a text or a story in our textbooks on page 187. And finally, we will solve reading comprehension exercises on pages 187, 188. Okay, the words we will learn are for gear, bait, fruitless, and catch. Do you know the meaning of any of these words? I think you are familiar with the word catch. I think so. So what is the meaning of gear? First, it is a noun. Okay, look at this picture, please. These things are the gear of hunting. Okay, so gear means things or objects used to make an activity. Okay, bait, it is also a noun. This is a bait. Why do you think we use it? Why do you think we use a bait? This bait is used in fishing or hunting. Bait, it is something used in fishing or a tool used to catch a fish or hook it. Clear? Now the word catch, it can come as a verb or as a noun, okay? The past form of catch is caught, okay? We can't add ed, we can't say catched, okay? It's wrong, so we say caught in past. Look at the picture. Tom catches Jerry, okay? Here catches is a verb. Jerry is Tom's catch. Here catch is a noun, so catch as a verb means to take or hold something. Fruitless, it is an adjective. Listen to this story, please. My teacher asked me to draw this girl as my final project, okay? How do you think was the result? That was the result. Horrible. Okay, so this was the result. It was a fruitless project. It was unsuccessful work. So fruitless is used to describe something that is not successful. Okay, something that is not successful. Your homework is to copy the words and their meanings on your copy notebooks. Okay, now we will read the story, so please open your books. What do you see in this picture? Boys are fishing, beach, rock. Boys are laughing. What are the boys who are sitting on the rock doing? The boys who are sitting on the rock are fishing. What are the boys who are sitting under the rock doing? It seems that they are making fun and jokes. They are laughing quietly. Do you think that the boys on the rock know about the boys under it? I don't think so. That's because the boys are trying to laugh secretly and quietly. Okay, my students, please follow along with me. Marwan and Hani went fishing. They were up and ready to go at the crack of dawn. When they got to the beach, they got their fishing gear ready. They had fishing lines, the bait, and a pocket for the fish which they would catch. They threw their lines in the water and sat on the rocks, waiting for the fish to bite. They had promised Mom that they would bring lunch. It was a beautiful spring day, and from the rock on which they were sitting, they could see Beirut. After an hour, Marwan and Hani started getting bored. When they were just about to give up, something started pulling at Hani's line. It was clearly a huge fish. Marwan rushed to help Hani pull the fish out of the water. The boys struggled hard. Finally, they managed to pull up their catch. Hani, said Marwan, I think Mom will have to fix us sandwiches for lunch. I think so too, laughed Hani. I don't think even Mom could make this edible. Okay, my students, after reading the story, we are going to solve these questions, okay? Number 1, why do you think Marwan thought Mom would need to fix sandwiches? Number 2, what do you think was on Hanny's line? Number 3, draw a picture of what you think Hanny caught. Okay, part B. Use context clues to find the meanings of the words below. Write the number of the word next to its meaning. Okay? Number 1, gear, bait, fruitless, catch. Okay? We have learned the meanings of these words, so it will be easy to match them to their meanings. Number C, you have to order the events of the story from 1 to 7. Okay? So, my students, you have to read the story 2 more times and then read the questions to solve them. Okay? On your reading notebooks. Good luck.